Okay, the total amount of money that Harry and Ron had was the same number that Neville had. So you know that I have Harry and Ron. So Harry plus Ron. Okay, they had the same money as Neville. So 1:1, right? Okay, next, the total amount of money that Neville and Ron had. So I have N plus Ron was 4 times the amount that Harry had. 4:1. Anyone has any problem with this so far? So all this information, I get it from the question, right? Okay, now you can see that there are 3 characters here. Harry, Ron, Neville. Neville, Ron, Harry. Yes? So the total, when added up, in this case, the total is actually 5 units. But total in this case is only 2 units. Yes or no? Okay, but we know that since the total for the 3 persons should be the same, right or wrong? Okay, we should use the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5 to get 10. So I got 10. I know that this is 5. This is 5. This is 10. This is 8. Anyone has any problem so far? Agree? Okay, now I want to find out what was the ratio of the amount of money that Harry had to Ron to Neville. So Harry to Ron to Neville. So we can see that from here, Neville is 5 units, right? Yes? Yeah. Harry is 2 units. So this is 2, this is 5. And a total for 3 persons must add up to how much? 10, right? So how many units do you think Ron have? 3 units, right? Because 10 minus 5 minus 2, you get 3. 8 minus 5, yeah, 8 minus 5 is 3 as well. You can do that as well, okay? Right? But I'm just trying to organize the information so that you can write down the answer in part A. You use model, this is a ratio worksheet. I don't understand why you are using model. Redo the whole question. Okay, if you are doing any other methods other than using ratio methods to solve all of these questions, okay, please redo that question by doing the ratio method. Okay, you can just keep your original solution, but I want to have this alternative method that's in ratio. Okay, you realize that ratio can help you solve a lot of questions. Okay, like I've shown here, you don't need to draw any complicated model, right? Okay, if you know ratio, this is quite easily done. So now we know that the first part is 2:3:5. So 2:3:5. Now I need to solve my second part. So what is the question asking for? Ron had $54. How much did the 3 children have altogether? Okay, now I want someone to form the equation for me. Colin, ow. Three units equals to $54. So because the question states that Ron had $54, right? And we know that Ron is 3 units. So we know 3 units equals to $54. So 1 unit equals to how much, Jack?
1 unit equals 54 divided by 3, which is
I thought you solved the question already.
it did.
You haven't solved the question?
I got the E wrong.
You got B wrong. How do you know you got B wrong?
I solved it already. I got wrong.
How do you know that you're wrong when I haven't even reached the final answer?
A was wrong. The teacher gave us answer.
The teacher gave. You mean the teacher went through all these questions with you already?
He gave us the answer. I never show us the worksheet. She showed the answer cue.
Oh, okay. So, how much money did the 3 children have altogether? 3 children in terms of units is how many units, Daryl? 10 units. So I know that the 3 children have $180 altogether. So remember to write your answer down at the bottom with the units. $180. Anyone has any problem?